Okay guys, hey, just a quick shop update. Wanted to let you know that we are working hard. Things are happening here in the garage. We're doing some wiring and stuff. We're hooking in an exhaust gas temperature gauge as well as an RPM gauge, but the RPM gauge hasn't arrived yet. So as opposed to doing the job twice, we're just gonna wait till the RPM gauge comes. Big news, Odyssey Life is having its first giveaway. So if you go back to our previous video, link in the description, and you like that video and we get 30 likes, we're giving away a stage 3 carb jetting kit from sixsigmajet.com. So go ahead, go back, like that video, win yourself a stage 3 carb jetting kit for the stock 32mm Keihin carburetor for the FL350. So guys, anyway, as you can see, I'm gonna be working hard, doing the thing, until I see you next week. See you soon. Big things coming up, so stay tuned guys. Talk to you soon.